What's up guys, Andrew here, firefighter metal detecting. Out here today, gonna do somewhat of an instructional video on different signals with Ace 300, Ace 200, and the Minelab Go Find 66, which is my daughter's metal detector. I got a list of items here we're gonna run through, and we're gonna show you the signals where we're starting for all the items, starting with the Ace 300, then the Ace 200, and then finally the Minelab Go Find 66. So let's get started here. Obviously, I'm not going to have the items on the ground. I'm just going to run them past the coil and capture the information from the readout. So let's get started. So starting off, I have a wheat cent penny, and that one is reading an 88, 89. Sorry, 83 to 84. Okay. 83, 85. Next up is a Washington silver quarter, and that is reading an 88 to 92. And now we have a V nickel, which is reading a 45 to 47. This one is a shield nickel, which is reading a 43 to 47. Now we have a skeleton key, and that's reading a 23 to 27. This signal is going to be a buffalo nickel. We have 42 to a 53 range. This one is a Roosevelt silver dime. '86, '87. This one is a mercury dime. '84 to '86. Up next is a barber dime. Which is the 83 to 85 range. This one's going to be a peace dollar. Let's do the 86 to 95 range. This one will be a Civil War bullet. '75 to '79 range. Now I have a Grotto bell. That one's coming in 78 to 83. Okay, this one item is a old spoon. That's a 49 to 56 range. My next item is a thimble. Appears to be brass. I'm going to do a 40 to 45 range on that one. Alright, last two items for the Ace 300. An old padlock. Let's do 30 to 36. And last one is a flick of gold. I was kind of curious about it because my detector's not even picking it up. So let's skip that one. Now, I'm doing the best I can to try to get you guys to be able to see the signals. But let's start again with Ace 200, the wheat penny. 83, 84 range. Here's the silver quarter on the 200. 86, 87. The V nickel. $39 to $42. This one is the shield nickel. $41 to $50 range. The skeleton key. $11 to $13 on the 200. Buffalo nickel. $41 to $44 range. Next up we have our 3 dimes, the Roosevelt, Mercury, and then the Barber. Alright, Roosevelt, 85, 86. Mercury dime, 83, 84. And the Barber dime, 83, 84. This one is going to be the peace dollar. $87 to $93. The Civil War bullet. $81. I'm gonna go 81 to 87. Just because it jumped up to the 87 at the end. The old spoon, $39 to $42. Croto bell, sorry, kind of out of order. $81 to $84. And last 2 items, the thimble and the old padlock. Here's the thimble. $38 to $41. And the padlock. $9 to $13. Alright, we just finished up the Ace 200. Now we have the Minelab Go Find 66. And we're going to just run it through all these items, starting with, again, with the wheat penny. And we're going to write down the signals that it shows, and hopefully you guys can see. So let's do this. Let's turn it like this and get that set here. Alright, here's the wheat penny. It doesn't have a read up, but it does say coin. So that's kind of weird. Alright, so it just shows a coin symbol. Coin symbol. I don't know if you guys can see that. That was a wheat penny. Silver quarter. Again, coin signal. Coin symbol. Alright. It's interesting that it shows the signals rather, or pictures of the items rather than the signals, but it's still cool. Alright, what was next? The V nickel. V nickel. Okay, that was in the middle of the 2 signals. So trash. Trash slash ring symbol. This next one will be the shield nickel, followed by the skeleton key. Okay, the same, trash and ring. Trash. Alright, here we have the buffalo nickel signal. It's in that trash to rings range. Trash ring symbol. Yes, the Go Find has symbols rather than digital numbers for readouts. Now we have the trifecta of dimes, starting with the Roosevelt. It's obviously coin symbol. Guessing the next two will be as well because they're obviously coin. Mercury dime, coin symbol. And the barber, coin symbol. Alright, peace dollar, that's coin for sure, obviously. Alright, Civil War bullet. Ring pull tab symbol. Ring symbol. Here's the Coda bell. Bouncing ring, coin. Ring, coin symbol. What's next? The old spoon symbol. Old spoon. Trash and ring. Ring symbol, the thimble, trash signal. You don't know until you dig it, right? That was thimble, the old padlock, screw and horseshoe. Screw symbol. As you can tell, going across, obviously the Ace 200 and Ace 300 are kind of similar in terms of items and signal range. Obviously the difference between the padlock for the 300 and the 200, and then the Minelab Go Find has symbols to read out rather than actual numbers, but it's still good to, sorry about the wind, still good to get that filmed and documented. Alright, well, I did the wrap up for this little signals determination for the Ace 300, Ace 200, and the Minelab Go Find 66. Hope this is somewhat helpful to you if you use any of these machines. Always appreciate it if you can subscribe or leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video, if it was helpful, not helpful. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe out there.